A strong, 3 magnitude earthquake hit Afghanistan's Herat province on Wednesday, just a few days after an earlier quake in the same northwestern region of the country had killed more than 1,000 people. Wednesday's earthquake occurred early morning at a shallow depth of 9.6 kilometers, 6 miles, with its epicenter about 29 kilometers north of Herat, according to the US Geological Survey. The strong tremors forced authorities again to deploy emergency services and rescue teams. At least 80 people were injured in Wednesday's earthquake. The latest quake led to a landslide that has blocked the main Herat-Torondi highway, Information Ministry spokesman Abdul Wahid Ryan said. In Chahat village, at least 700 houses have turned to rubble. Official data on casualties due to the latest earthquake was not available immediately. Mobile medical teams and officials have been working together and have transferred several injured people to hospital, Herat's governor's office said in a statement. Humanitarian crises in Afghanistan deepens after earthquake. The series of deadly earthquakes has left Afghanistan's population reeling from acute humanitarian crises. Afghanistan's Taliban-run government has said that at least 2,400 people were killed and more than 2,000 were injured when repeated tremors rocked Herat on Saturday. Afghan Public Health Minister Kulindar Ibad on Wednesday lowered the toll to around 1,000, attributing the confusion to the remoteness of the area and double reporting by agencies involved in the rescue effort. Saturday's quake destroyed at least 11 villages in Herat province's Zenda-Jan district, according to the UN. Local media reported that residents in Herat, fearing more earthquakes, have resorted to sleeping in tents at night. Severe earthquakes are common in Afghanistan, however, Saturday's earthquake was the worst to hit the war-torn country in 25 years. UN pledge aid to Afghanistan. The Taliban is facing a big challenge in providing emergency shelter and relief to the survivors of the earthquake. The European Union has pledged €3.5 million, $71 million, in emergency humanitarian aid funding. The aid package adds to the €2.5 million that are for organizations already carrying out relief work on the ground. The new funding aid is in addition to the €89 million already allocated for humanitarian organizations in Afghanistan, the EU said in a statement. The UN Humanitarian Coordinator is also going to provide a $5 million emergency reserve allocation from the Afghanistan Humanitarian Fund, AHF. Pakistan, Iran and China have agreed to send relief items such as food, blankets, medicines, tents and funds. Turkey, Iran and Abu Dhabi have also pledged to provide humanitarian aid to Afghanistan. This article was originally published on DW.